So, this is a Korean melon. I've never heard of these before.
I got it because it looked cute.
It does. I like it.
It caught my eye, so I got it.
I'm assuming it's gonna have like a. You were saying honeydew taste?
I'm just expecting melon.
I don't know what to expect. Oh, it looks kind of like the Kiwano melon inside. I wonder if they are distant related.
I'm going to assume yes, because they have the
Ooh.
word melon in there.
It has a very cantaloupe smell to it.
So you can't see it. It's like you would a cantaloupe or a honeydew.
Mm-hmm.
Not a good job. Try again. Don't look at me. It's fine.
It's alright, we knew what we were getting into.
Here you go.
Alright. You can definitely tell that it's related to cantaloupe. It's got all the same hallmarks to it. So
It's like if a cantaloupe wasn't squishy.
yeah, like a stiffer cantaloupe with a more mellow taste. Not bad. I think if you don't like super sweet melons and you just want,
Melon taste without being assaulted by sweetness.
yeah, if you don't want your teeth to rot out from the sweetness, then this is great. This could be good in a fruit bowl. They're not that big though, so you wouldn't be able to cube it up.
Yeah.
How's the outside?
I mean, you don't normally eat the rind of a cantaloupe or a honeydew, but I'm not going to stop you. Juice dripping on my arm.
Not very much taste.
It's rind.
Yeah, that's just for rind. I definitely would not eat the rind of a cantaloupe because it's got that weird texture. This is just smooth, so you can kind of get away with it, but it doesn't have any taste that I can tell. But overall, I like this.
I was planning on eating it, but then I realized I have many more slices than you. You're so delicate when you eat it. I just like just juice dripping everywhere.
Different
Nasty.
animal.
All over my face. Such a small fruit. You wouldn't expect me to be an absolute animal. But here we are.
Yeah, if you don't want super sweet melon, this is a good option that I didn't know existed.